Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these lovely floral heart-shaped coasters. Um, you can see it right here. It's a beautiful floral pattern with many different colors in the floral resin technique. So I used these coaster molds from Amazon and I'm using KS resin liquid stone in here. I personally love this resin. I'm not paid here to say this, but I just love the clarity and the hardness of it. It's also very high heat resistant. So I love using this especially for my coasters. I'll put in a link below if you like it. I am an affiliate, so I do get a little percentage, but at no cost to you. So here I'm using a Meyspring pigments. Again, I'm not paid by them to say this, but I love these pigments. I used 4 different colors here. So first of all, I put some clear resin into the molds and moved a heat gun over it so there's no bubbles. And then I mixed up 4 different colors, royal gold, wine red, pearl white, and rose quartz. And I mix smaller quantities of this. When you're doing this, guys, make sure that you don't fill up the clear resin all the way because it's gonna come out all spill over. So I filled the mold almost like halfway with clear resin and then I started layering with the different colors. I started with the royal gold on the outermost side as close to the edge as possible, and I did a gold heart. Then inside that I did a wine red heart. Inside that I used the pearl white, and the most inner layer was the rose quartz. I did not mix any pigments together or use any white inside any of them. I just used the pigments as is, mixed with clear resin. So I kept on layering one inside the other, alternating the colors till almost all of the mold was filled in. I didn't overlap any colors. I was just going inside, kind of making rings or hearts one inside the other. And just make sure you do it slowly. My resin was a little thicker at this point. It was about 15 minutes after mixing the resin, so it's not too runny. And you want your resin to be like this if you want it to hold the shape. And you can use it before, no harm in that, but it would be more diffuse. The petals would be more diffuse with that look. I wanted kind of defined petals here, so I waited a little bit for my resin to thicken up before I started layering. And you can see how beautifully the colors go along with each other. These were made thinking about Valentine's Day, so I wanted to capture the love and all the endearment you have. And I was trying to go with all the pure pastels, not pastels, but like pure, I would say serene colors that's cooling to the eye and not too bright, because I usually am drawn toward brighter colors. So this was very different for me. So once I was done layering all the colors, I took a dotting tool and I just pulled all the layers inside towards the center just to give it a look like a flower. This was a last minute decision. I didn't initially decide on a floral one, but I'm glad I did because it really came out very, very beautiful, much more nicer than what I had in mind. So, if you want to experiment, go ahead and do it. Don't hold yourself back because you never know what comes out might be even better than what you had thought initially. And resin surprises you. It has surprised me many times. You would think it would act a certain way, but it definitely has a mind of its own. Sometimes it does things for the better, sometimes for the worse, but hey, it's a learning process. So I enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy that too. So here's the final reveal. This is the back side of the coasters, the side that we poured in. So you can see it pulled in towards the center, and that gives it that dreamy look. Wait till I flip it over. There it is. You see how beautifully they merge together, but at the same time they are like layered and look separate. I really love this look. It's very very pretty, and you see that resin, it's all crystal clear. I forgot to mention, I used a little embossing heat gun over the resin once I had put all the layers in. I didn't record that, but I did that. So here you can see they look so very beautiful. I really love these coasters. Thank you for watching, and if you like this, hit the like button. See you next time.